Unlock the secrets to safely accessing your Nikon Z8's battery compartment for vital maintenance or accessory use. First, ensure your Nikon Z8 is powered off. As a safety precaution, locate the small, spring-loaded latch on the edge of the battery cover door. This latch is what keeps the door securely closed. Using your fingertip, firmly but gently press this latch inwards, towards the camera body. As you press the latch, you'll feel it release, and the battery cover door will begin to pivot outwards slightly. With the latch released, you can now carefully pull the battery cover door open. There's a small lip or edge on the door to help you get a grip. The door will swing open on a small hinge, revealing the battery chamber. Take care not to force it. You now have safe access to your battery for removal or replacement, or to connect specific power accessories. Remember to handle your camera with care throughout this process to avoid any accidental damage to the body or the delicate latch mechanism. Reattaching the cover is just as straightforward. Simply align it and gently push it closed until the latch clicks back into place. Regular, careful maintenance keeps your Nikon Z8 performing at its best.